In this video we want to show you how to install a mosquito window net. First let us have a look at the box. Let's get everything out. Inside there is just a mosquito net and a roll of tape. This video is pretty straightforward and doesn't need much explanation. Let's just watch how to assemble it. Clean your window first. Measure the size of your window, and cut the tape according to it. Put the tape on. Take the leftover tape material to cover your finger. Now you can fix the tape with it a bit better. Finally, we can put on the mosquito net. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.